Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and good morning.
Hello everyone, welcome to my All page and my YouTube channel and my Facebook profile. Please follow All page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.
I just woke up and came on my balcony. Look at my little and cute plant. They are so happy right now. Cause of yesterday night their bath on heavy falling rain. They're so happy and I am also happy. You can see my putulika, chili, money plants, pudina all are so healthy in this weather. Look at my little and cute plant. They are so happy right now. You can see my Portolica flowers. I spent time with my plants, talk to them and enjoy the weather. That's how peaceful my morning start. Of course, I can't miss my coffee. I shot my coffee from the back camera but did not focus much on myself. I also showed the setup I made for birds and animals. Sometimes birds come and sit quickly, think for a while, and then leave. That's how peaceful my morning started. In the end of the video, two little sparrows come to visit. The male birds sit on the grill and chirped while the female was eating below. After she finished eating, she flew away, and the male bird started eating. So, everyone, please enjoy this peaceful morning with me. Thank you.